In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Power BI to improve your productivity. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, we need to open Power BI Desktop. So go ahead and launch the application on your computer. This is where all the magic happens, and utilizing keyboard shortcuts can really streamline your experience. Once you have Power BI open, we can explore some of the global shortcuts that are designed to make your navigation faster and easier. You can do this by simply pressing Shift and the question mark key. That's Shift Lat on your keyboard. This shortcut works from anywhere within the application, ensuring that you have quick access to essential functions without having to fumble around with menus. When you press that combination, an on-screen window will pop up right in front of you. This window displays a list of common keyboard shortcuts that you can use. It's like having a handy guide right at your fingertips. You'll be able to see shortcuts specifically for navigation, visuals, and other key functionalities that come in handy while you're working on your reports and dashboards. It's really helpful to have this visual reference as you're getting familiar with the shortcuts. Now, if you're eager to learn even more shortcuts beyond what's displayed on that pop-up window, Power BI offers a comprehensive list on their official website. At the bottom of the shortcut pop-up, you'll notice a link that says something like See All Keyboard Shortcuts. Clicking that link will lead you directly to the official Power BI keyboard shortcut page. This page includes an exhaustive list of all the available shortcuts that you can incorporate into your workflow. Let's talk a little about why using these shortcuts can elevate your efficiency as a Power BI user. When handling large data sets or creating intricate reports, every second counts. By using keyboard shortcuts, you reduce the time spent navigating through the menus. Instead of clicking around, you can perform functions instantly with just a few keystrokes. This enables you to focus more on the data itself rather than the interface, giving you more time to analyze and visualize your data insights. Another great advantage is that these shortcuts can help you maintain a smoother flow. It's all about minimizing interruptions. If you're in the zone and a shortcut can help you achieve a task quicker, you're less likely to break your concentration. And remember, mastering these shortcuts takes practice. Familiarize yourself with a few at a time instead of trying to learn them all at once. As you get comfortable, gradually incorporate more shortcuts into your daily routine. Before you know it, you'll be navigating Power BI like a pro, and the improvement in your overall productivity will be nothing short of remarkable. So that's the basic rundown on how to use keyboard shortcuts in Power BI. Now you should feel empowered to explore these and truly enhance your work experience. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.